Carolina, including the following areas: Chatham, Cumberland, Durham, Edgecombe, Franklin, Granville, Halifax, Harnett, Hoke, Johnston, Lee, Moore, Nash, Richmond, Sampson, Scotland, Vance, Week, Warren, Wayne, and Wilson. Through Thursday evening, multiple rounds of showers and isolated thunderstorms are expected through Thursday evening. The rainfall will be heavy at times. Storm total rainfall through Thursday evening will average between 2 and 5 inches, with locally higher amounts possible, especially across the southern coastal plain and sandhills. This heavy rainfall will result in rises on streams and creeks and may result in flash flooding. A flash flood watch means there is a potential for flooding based on current forecasts. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop.